Recording the sewer line here at 109 Ray Street, West Ray. I'm as far out as I can push the camera right now. I'm going to pull back from this spot. I've already located it up in the sidewalk. We are eastbound of where we're at, so I'm going to pull back from here, see what we can see of the line. As you can see here, we're underwater. Never a good sign. And quite a ways out in the line. So the customer had some work done by there. We can start seeing a little bit of the line there. So it's good that we can see a little bit now that it's open. I mean, it's old concrete pipe out here. There's a turn there, probably at the end of the driveway here, and we might be tying in with some neighbors as we go. So all this coming back here, I guess a liner done by Pinkies. I might try putting a skid on this camera and see if I can't get a little better idea of what's going on. So all this piping looks good. Everything's open until we get out in that old concrete line. So yeah, we are a good 110 feet out down the line. You go try to grab a skid and put it on there. I'm going to pause the video for a second. Okay, we're going to try this again here. Going down the clean out. Heading into a liner here. Liner looks to be in good shape. A little minor flat spot there. Been through some more liner here. Quite a long stretch of liner. Then we go into old clay pipe where there is a tie-in here. Possibly just a turn, but and then we go into concrete. So this is old concrete line. And we start ducking underwater again. Yeah, so we're not going to see anything, unfortunately. And this is out where we got stopped out there, so I'm going to end the recording there. And we can go over some options.